train is very interesting because it goes through the forest and some wetlands. But so far, I think the most impressive was the Bekambeushi River, which is also inside a wetland, which is a registered Ramsar site. And it passes by the Akkeshi Waterfall Observation Center.
Yeah.
Observation Center. So far, I think this is the most beautiful spot I have seen in Hokkaido. Actually, this is my first time in canoe for about, maybe about 40 years. But it's much smoother than I remember. Also, the river is pretty wide. This is the Bekambeushi River. It's a registered Ramsar site. And it also flows, I guess, into the Akkeshi Lake. But the banks are wider than I expected. And the water is very calm. If you look down, you see the water is brown because of the, I guess, the substance that flows out of the peat moss.
Bekambeushi River has no artificial construction.
No.
For the river line.
It's all natural.
It's very unique.
But actually, I think this would be a good tour for rich American people because recently, like some people have, I guess, a high income but very high stress. They go on vacations where they turn everything off. No no smartphone, no TV, and just try to relax and be natural. I feel great. Very relaxing. Beautiful.
この川で彼の方とは名前入りの記念証が誰か。
Oh, thank you.
ジェームズさんどうぞ。
Thank you.
はい、ありがとうございます。
ここができるっていう話があった時に、正職員で、入れる、入れてもらえるって言うんだったら、もうぜひそれ受けろっつって、ということで、受けた。今は実家は備前市ですか？備前市。
食べれるっていうのが、そういうところがある。
で、これは今はこういう牡蠣を作ろうとみんなでやってるわけね、牡蠣園もやってる。
明治時代は